Logscope allows you to archive wells. We've selected the Balina wells here, and you can use the edit button and change it to a list and tap on the wells that you wish to archive. And then you can either go to a map view, which is what I'm going to use, and you circle all the wells that you're going to archive. Once you've selected the wells and you go to Selection, Manage and Archive, it will present you with the option of selecting everything globally, global parameters and parameter stores. Alternately, after that, you can select individual plots. Once it's done, it will create the archive, and then it will ask you where you wish to put it. Export it to an iCloud device is what we're going to do, and we do that here, and we export to the desktop. On your PC, when you can see the archive in the cloud, you just double click on it, and it produces the list in Logscope, and you can select any of these parameters. I'm going to deselect all of these by just simply skipping them, and I'm going to select these to be set them all to be overwrite, and then off I go, and it's going to load all those in, and it will open the first plot file, the first plot opened, and that's all there is to it.